Another simple and easy one tray meal. I am going to show you how to do cottage pie. So the difference between cottage pie and a shepherd's pie is, in shepherd's pie we use lamb mince and in cottage pie we use beef mince. These are the ingredients that you are going to need. I'm using 500 grams of premium beef mince, 3 tablespoons plain flour, garlic and onion, rosemary, thyme or mixed herbs, salt and pepper to your taste, 1 can tomato puree, 1 large carrot and 1 cup of green peas, a teaspoon of stock powder and a cup of water, or you can use 1 cup of beef broth or chicken broth or even vegetable. 500 grams potatoes, 1 egg, half a cup of cheese, any cheese will do, and salt and pepper. So let's start. First we need to boil the potatoes or steam the potatoes. So dice the potatoes and put it onto a steaming tray and steam until it is tender. So going to steam this. While steaming the potatoes, let's prepare the ingredients. So cut the garlic, cut the carrot into cubes. While steaming the potatoes, let's prepare the meat. For that, into a pan add about a tablespoon oil. Into that add the onion and the garlic. Stir fry about a minute or two until the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add the minced meat. Brown the meat, adding the salt and the pepper and the herbs. After browning the meat, add the pureed tomato and then add the carrot. Stir fry and cook about 1 minute. After, add a teaspoon of stock powder and about a cup of water and reduce half of the liquid. After, add the green peas and then add the flour. Make sure to cook off the flour until there is no floury taste. So it will thicken quickly. Make sure to cook on a low heat. When you add flour into this, it thickens. Once it thickens, switch it off and wait for the potatoes. And going to transfer the cooked meat into a Pyrex dish or any baking tray you can use. Press and spread it evenly. When the potatoes are ready, add some pepper and a bit of salt and mash the potatoes. The potatoes I am using is dry, so I am going to add about 2 tablespoons milk and mash again. Now add the cheese and break the egg. You can add only the egg yolk. I don't want to waste the white, so I am adding both. Ready? Now put the mash on top of the beef. You can pipe this nicely. Spread After, get a fork and do a design on top. So this goes to the preheated oven, 200 Celsius, about 15 minutes, or until the mashed potato is golden brown. It is ready. As you can see, the potato layer and the meat layer is really visible. Now I'm going to cut it. Using a spatula, take it slowly. So it's a nice and a beautiful meal that you can serve with some gravy or some tomato sauce. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.